Now we have some important setup to do.
Ooh, it's really important.
It's talking.
Yeah, how can it talk? And you know I'm wearing two jackets. You see the pink one? I'm wearing two jackets and this one hat because it's really cold. My body's gonna freeze and my legs are not gonna freeze.
Look, Punitha, there's a moon.
How can we see the moon?
Yeah, there's a moon.
Daddy,
Yeah?
why the moon comes in morning?
Moon comes in the night time, not the morning. We just came out and we want to go and pick the Punitha new laptop from the store. We place order online and it is ready to pick up.
So which one is Best Buy?
There.
Also the blue one with the blue.
And the yellow.
Oh, the blue and the yellow one.
Yes, Best
That's
Buy.
Best Buy.
Yes.
I can actually spell it, but best. Yeah, bye. Hi everyone, today we're opening HP laptop. Let's open. Be careful with the knife. You'll need a grown-up to help you. Okay, we opened it. Let's take out the charger. Here's the cable. In the bag. Right? Hey, here's the instructions. See this? Some blue one. Hold on. Okay, let's put the box down. This is a big. Let's take out the wax. Need it. Carefully take out the plastic. Or not. Okay. Plastic here. And nice way. And you can see it. Okay, let's take out this paper. Oh, wow, very nice. Okay, now let's see what inside ready. Ready? Here's the screen. Here's the screen so you can play games or do your homework and color. And here is the green keyboard. Very nice. Let's switch on first. You can hear that sound. XP. XP, okay? We're gonna wait. It's coming. Can you see? That's blue color.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Wow.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes. Yes, here.
Your
Then,
keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
Cat videos?
How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Okay, stop next. What can he do now?
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
So, next.
Now we have some important setup to do.
Ooh, it's really important.
It's talking.
Yeah, how can it talk?
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
Ooh, so very nice.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
So, next step.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
It looks green and glowy. A glowy green.
Okay.
Can see glowy green.
So this is a Ryzen processor and the graphics card.
Yeah.
And see the speaker how it is.
It's already set up, maybe. Ooh, that's really nice. What are we gonna do now? Can do some things on their own, right? Laptop configuration. So we're going to press this. So we press this. We're going to press this. Then press this. Let's close this one. Right, and then the button. Okay, and then so what's fun? So P U N I T H A Punitha, and then play. Ooh, we're playing the game. Yum yum. Eating the dots. Hey, we're gonna move. Not move anything. There you go. To eat the dots. We're not eating. So much fun. See the little. Hey. Yum 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 yum. So yummy. Oh, it stopped. What? Okay, eat it. So much fun playing this game. Okay, I'm gonna. Ooh, yes! Eat it! Yum, 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 yum. Okay, go here. What? So much fun! I wanna eat it! Let's go. No! That's enough game. Okay, we got the laptop and the mouse. And the mouse looks like, you know it, the flag. Here's the mouse and the laptop. I put my videos on so you can watch it. That's it for today. Bye bye. Comment if you like this video and hit the bell. Like. Bye bye.